What's up, fellow creators? A couple weeks ago, I started turning the room that I'm currently in into my editing room slash room that I can make YouTube videos in. I still have a lot to do. I painted the walls, put up some curtains, bought this little ladder thing behind me just to kind of spice it up a little bit. But for those who have watched some of my videos, I like a blue background. And what I was using before was the Yongnuo YN216, which I actually have a video on it as like a cheap budget wedding light. But I wanted to get a nice RGB light for the background. So the blue lights behind me, I found them on Amazon for two for $40, and it's actually an outdoor-indoor light that's meant to be shine on trees, but I just wanted to try it out as a background light. I think having those lights, it's a nice little touch. I actually see a lot of people starting to use these lights in documentaries, and of course there's tons of YouTubers that use them in the background. So this light is a 15-watt LED RGB light. It's pretty bright, but if you're going to go into a larger space, I definitely recommend getting the 30-watt, and I'll leave a link to that below. But this light, the cool thing about it, it's fairly bright, and actually there's no fan on it. They just got a large heat sink on the back. I also took my camera shutter speed up to 1,000, and I didn't receive any flickering. So I think these lights, for the price, they're basically 20 bucks each. It's a nice little added touch to a variety of different settings, especially for like an interview background. For my Fuji fans, I recently got the 50mm f2 to go with my Prime collection. I actually used this 50 f2 yesterday at a wedding. In a previous video, I talked about how I was using the 35, which is essentially a 50mm f2 for guest dancing, just so I could be a little farther away. But this is like a 75 equivalent f2, and it was 300 bucks used, which is another reason why I absolutely love Fuji, because a Canon 85. You're not going to get that for that price, especially the look is actually amazing and the autofocus is really good. So I definitely recommend this, and I'll probably be coming out with a video on this shortly. But I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure you guys leave a like. If there's any other lights that you think that would be better than this, leave in the comment section. And make sure you guys subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.